Getting your money out of a platform should be the easiest part of the experience. But if you have ever used a major sportsbook like BetMGM, you know that there are often security layers, processing times, and specific rules that can make the process feel a bit more complicated than it needs to be. This guide is designed to take you through every single step of the withdrawal process to ensure that your funds move from your account to your pocket without any unnecessary headaches or delays. Before we dive into the buttons you need to click, it is important to understand the environment you are working in. BetMGM is a highly regulated platform, which means they follow strict anti-money laundering protocols. The most important thing to keep in mind before you even open the app is the concept of the closed loop system. In the world of online gaming, a closed loop basically means that the platform wants to send your money back to the same place it came from. If you deposited $500 using your personal PayPal account, BetMGM is almost certainly going to require you to withdraw at least that same amount back to that exact PayPal account before they let you send funds anywhere else. This is a security measure designed to protect both you and the company, so if you see a specific withdrawal method grayed out, that is likely the reason why. Now, let's get into the actual mechanics of the withdrawal. First, you are going to want to open your BetMGM app or log in through a desktop browser. Once you are on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the interface. You should see your profile icon or a display of your current total balance. Tap that icon to open up your account menu. From here, you will see a prominent button labeled Cashier. Clicking this will open up your financial hub where you can manage deposits, withdrawals, and your transaction history. Once the cashier window pops up, you need to navigate to the Withdraw tab. At this stage, the system will show you your withdrawable balance. It is vital to note that your total balance and your withdrawable balance might not be the same number. If you have been playing with house money or active bonuses, that credit is often locked until you meet specific wagering requirements. If you try to pull out money while a bonus is still active, the system might warn you that you are about to forfeit your bonus funds, so always double check your rewards section before proceeding. Assuming your funds are cleared and ready to go, you will be presented with a list of withdrawal methods. This is where most people get hung up, so let's break down the options based on speed and reliability. If you are looking for the absolute fastest way to get your cash, you should look for Visa Fast Funds or a similar real-time debit card transfer. If you have a compatible debit card linked to your account, these transactions can often hit your bank in under 2 hours once BetMGM approves a request. Another fantastic high-speed option is using an e-wallet like PayPal or Venmo. Because these platforms are digital native, the transfer of data is nearly instantaneous. Usually, once the internal review is finished, the money shows up in your digital wallet within minutes. For those who prefer more traditional banking, you can choose an online bank transfer or an e-check through VIP Preferred. These are incredibly secure, but they operate on the standard banking grid, meaning you are looking at a wait time of roughly 2 to 4 business days. And of course, if you are a fan of the physical experience and happen to be near an MGM property like the Bellagio in Las Vegas or Borgata in Atlantic City, you can select the Cash at the Casino Cage option. This allows you to initiate the withdrawal on your phone and then physically walk up to a window at the casino to collect your cash. Just remember that you will need a government-issued ID and your voucher code to make that happen. Once you have selected your method, you will enter the specific amount you want to withdraw. Most methods have a $20 minimum, so keep that in mind. After you hit the Confirm button, your request enters a status called Pending. This is the part of the process where some users get frustrated, but it is a mandatory part of the sportsbook's operation. Every single withdrawal request is manually or semi-automatically reviewed by the BetMGM internal security team. They are checking for things like suspicious login activity, ensuring that wagering requirements were met fairly, and verifying that there are no disputes on your recent deposits. This review process can take anywhere from a few hours to 5 business days, though in most cases it is wrapped up within 24 hours. While your withdrawal is in this pending state, you actually have the ability to cancel it. If you change your mind and decide you want to use those funds for a big game coming up over the weekend, you can simply go back into the cashier, look at your pending withdrawals, and hit the reverse button. This will put the money back into your playable balance instantly. However, once the status changes from pending to processed or completed, the money is out of BetMGM's hands and is currently moving through the banking system toward you. If you find that your withdrawal is taking longer than the advertised timeframe, there are a few common culprits you should investigate. The first is account verification. If this is your first time withdrawing a significant amount of money, BetMGM may require you to upload a photo of your driver's license or a recent utility bill to prove your identity and address. If you haven't completed this step, your withdrawal will sit in a holding pattern indefinitely. Another issue could be a mismatched name. If the name on your BetMGM account doesn't perfectly match the name on your bank account or PayPal, the transaction will likely be flagged and rejected. Always make sure your legal information is consistent across all platforms. Furthermore, be aware of the timing of your request. If you initiate a withdrawal on a Friday night after a big game, you are likely hitting the system at the same time as tens of thousands of other players. Processing times can stretch slightly during high volume periods like the Super Bowl or the start of the NBA playoffs. Additionally, standard bank transfers don't move on weekends or bank holidays, so if you hit the button on a Saturday, your bank might not even acknowledge the incoming funds until Monday or Tuesday morning. To recap the strategy for a perfect withdrawal, always use a fast transfer debit card or an e-wallet if speed is your priority. Ensure all your identity verification documents are uploaded and approved long before you actually need to take money out. Stay mindful of your bonus balances so you don't accidentally wipe out your promotional credit. And finally, be patient during the internal review period. It is a sign that the platform is taking security seriously, which is ultimately a good thing for the safety of your funds. By following these steps and understanding the underlying rules of the platform, you can turn your winning bets into real-world cash with zero friction. Whether you are funding a weekend trip or just moving your profits back to your savings account, the process is designed to be a transparent and secure bridge between your digital success and your physical wallet. Just stay informed, stay verified, and keep an eye on those processing times. The world of online sports betting is fast-paced, but the withdrawal process is the one area where a little bit of slow, careful attention can save you a lot of time in the long run. Now that you know exactly how the system works, you can play with the confidence that your winnings are always within reach. It is your money, you earned it, and by using the right methods and following the protocols, you will see it in your account before you know it. This concludes the master guide on navigating the BetMGM withdrawal system. Remember to keep your app updated to the latest version to ensure all the newest payment integrations are available to you. And always gamble responsibly. Having a clear exit strategy for your funds is just as important as having a winning strategy for your bets. With this knowledge in hand, you are ready to manage your bankroll like a professional. Take a moment to review your account settings now, verify your details, and make sure your preferred withdrawal method is linked and ready to go, so that the next time you hit a big parlay, the payout is the easiest part of your day. Success on the platform is about more than just picking winners. It is about managing the entire life cycle of your capital, from the first deposit to the final withdrawal. By mastering these small technical details, you put yourself in the best position to enjoy your winnings without the stress of wondering where your money is or when it will arrive. Everything is laid out for you now, so go ahead, head over to the cashier and get that process started. You have done the hard work of winning the bet, now let the system do the work of delivering your reward. This is the standard procedure for one of the most reliable sportsbooks in the industry, and once you have done it once, it becomes second nature. Clear, simple and secure. That is the goal for every transaction you make. Whether you are a casual player or someone more dedicated to the craft of sports analysis, understanding these financial mechanics is an essential tool in your kit. So, log in, check your balance, and move your money with total peace of mind. Your payout is just a few clicks away. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Using the same accounts for both your deposits and your withdrawals will always be the fastest route to success. If you ever decide to change banks or update your digital wallet, take 5 minutes to update your BetMGM profile before you place your next wager. This prevents any last-minute verification hurdles when you are ready to cash out.
You are now fully equipped to handle your finances on the app with the same precision you use to analyze the betting lines. Good luck with your future plays and enjoy the rewards of your strategy.